In this question, they give you 3 points, and then we are going to find out the in-center position of this triangle. In center, that means inside this triangle there is a circle. And the corresponding center is called the in-center of this triangle. And then maybe in your notes or textbook or some other tips, they tell you that how you draw the position of in-center is by drawing the angle bisector from 3 vertex. And the position that whether they intercept is the position of in-center. But what I concern is why we have this property, why the angle bisector cross each other will give you the in-center. That's what you need to know. Basically, it's because of the tangents from external point. From center, perpendicular to tangent. This is the property that we learned in the circle chapter. If we connect the external point to the center, then this triangle will form a congruent triangle because of the radius and the common line, and also together with this right angle. It's formed RHS, so that we can say these two triangles are congruent. That's the major reason why these two angles are the same, is because of corresponding angles of congruent triangle. So what you should memorize is not just the angle bisector, but you should know that if you draw the radius, it's form right angle, and you can find out 3 pairs of congruent triangle. If you focus on this part, because of all our right angle here, so basically this one is a square, and then your in center from origin is go right by our units and then go up by our units. So we know that the center is R. Then our mission is to find out what is the radius of this inscribed circle. This distance is R, also this distance is R. So we can find out one side of a congruent triangle is 24 deduct R. Just like what I mentioned, these two triangles are congruent. This is 24 minus R, which implies this is also 24 minus R. Similar reason, we have 7 minus R here, which means that this is also 7 minus R. And if we consider right angle triangle with 24 and 7, then the hypotenuse is 24 square plus 7 square, which is equal to 25. Which means that the total length here is 25. Therefore, we can write down an equation with R. 24 minus R together with 7 minus R is equal to 25. So 2R is equal to 6 while R is equal to 3. That's why the in center is 3, 3.